Welcome to Saisha Spectrum. In today's lecture, we are going to see events in table maintenance generator. In the previous lecture, we have already seen about what is a table maintenance generator and what are the steps to create table maintenance generator. Before starting the explanation, let me tell you this concept is usually asked in the interview process. At least one question is compulsory asked on table maintenance generator. It would be a definition of TMG or steps to create a table maintenance generator, or it may be about the events in table maintenance generator. So in the previous lecture we have already seen how to create table maintenance generator. So let us see different events in TMG. Very first, we require events in table maintenance generator um, to validating the table data. So basically table maintenance generator, it is a standard program which is created in the form of a function module to maintain the mass amount of data. So there are basically four events in table maintenance generator. So very first event is before saving data. Second event is after saving data. This gets triggered after the data is been included into the programming and we save the data. And third one is after deleting data display, and fourth one is before deleting data display. So these are the four basic events in TMG on which interviewer basically asks question. So yes, in the next lecture, we are going to see about what are different internal tables in SAP ABAP. Thanks for watching.